Right.
Okay. Hello, Kevin. Hello again. So we are going to see if we can chock the steering column lock to make it unlock, meaning this little pintle here should go down. Now it's locked, so it's in the up position. This is unlock. You see that? Yeah. Okay. So what we're trying to do here first, we have the fluke connected, so we can actually watch the feedback signal. Oh, see if this is possible. Yeah. So I have a small wiring schematic on my phone. Here's the feedback signal. Here's the steering column lock module. Here's the actuator itself. So in locked position, it indicates 487 ohms, which is what we almost have here. We have 488.3 actually right now. So we are measuring locked position for the feedback. Here is the actuator itself. So we will command, first we will try with 12 volts on the purple wire, and then we will have ground on the other side, on the orange one. That means unlock, and see if the pintle moves a little bit or not. And when we did this testing in the office, it did not. So first we will try this here with 12 volts, and then we will try with 24 volts, see if we can chock it. Okay, so I'm ready now. I have 12 volts connected, or ready. I'm not connected yet, but it's ready. So I will connect here, and we should also watch this one at the same time.
Wait.
Maybe I should step away a little bit. So that's it. You can hear the noise. Current is flowing here, but nothing happens. This one stays. Okay, now I will change the voltage from 12 volts to 24 volts. So, okay. When I close the circuit, see what happens. See? It moved. 24 volts, and it's all the way down. Well, that's funny. We leave it there. Now when this one is unlocked, the pintle is down. We now see the feedback signal, and it says 96 ohms. 296 ohms. And watch the schematic. You see unlocked says 294 ohms. Is it possible to read that? Yeah, 294 ohms. And we actually have 296. So that means feedback signal, it says it's unlocked.
Problem solved.
Problem solved for the temporary repair for all the European Corvette C6. Good, thanks.